Hey, if you've been in a football stadium or a large downtown building, if you've been on a cruise ship or you own a car, well, you've been affected by the work of a welder. Thanks, Chuck. Appreciate it. You know, that goes the same for steam boilers, which require tremendous strength to hold up to the intense pressure that's created when you turn water into steam. So you see where we're going with this. We're going to be talking about welding on Steam Culture. Now, because welders and welding are such a big and rich part of our history and culture, I wanted to cover it today on Steam Culture. Now, for those of you that aren't familiar with welding, here's what they do. They basically join things together, usually metal, by the use of some intense heat and some filler material, just like this rod here that Chuck was using earlier. The welder will basically melt everything together into a puddle, and then they let it cool. And when that cools, it is incredibly strong. So here's what you need to know about welding. Currently, as of last estimate, there are 360,000 welders in the US, so chances are you're related to someone who's a welder or you know someone that's been a welder. Now, welding has been around for a real long time. In ancient Bronze Age, the Egyptians, they learned how to weld bronze together to make boxes and ornate things. During the following Iron Age, they started to make weapons and containers and things of that sort. During the Middle Age, the blacksmith was born, and in the 1800s, welding technology really took off with the development of acetylene gas, and after that, the electric generator, which led to the development of arc welding, which is what Chuck was doing behind me. So then we hit the industrial age and the wartime periods, and then major advancements in welding technology hit because there was a huge demand to efficiently build things that were bigger, stronger, and more resilient, like machinery, tools, weapons, of things of that sort. So for all the advancements in welding technology, I think the coolest thing and awesome thing that I love to watch is underwater welding. It just blows me away what people can figure out how to do. All right, so our Steam Culture connection this week is welding. Hey, and email me at steamculture@wareinc.com with your ideas and your comments. I love getting those. We'll be back next Friday with a new episode. So keep liking and sharing our videos, and I will see you next week on Steam Culture.